Live III's new step sequencer allows you to create evolving polyrhythmic patterns using independent track lengths. This is perfect for electronic music to experimental and sound design. Now, to change our track length, we can either do this directly from our interface, or we could use our step buttons to set our length. As I enter the step, you can see that the length is changing, which is creating a different bass line. So now let's go to another track where I have an arpeggiator. And now let's change the track length. Now you can really hear how experimental you can be using independent track lengths. Let's finish off our track.